April Jackson of the Jackson Sewing Academy. Cakes of white wax tailor's chalk is a staple for marking clothing and fabrics for sewing projects. The marks disappear when exposed to heat from the iron or steam. Keeping the chalk edge sharp will ensure crisp, clean lines and accurate marking, and you will see how to sharpen the chalk in this video. When using the wax chalk, remember to keep the cake flat to maintain a clean edge and press very lightly. At some point during your workday, the wax chalk you're working with is going to get dull. So we want to always make sure that we have a nice sharp edge. And this is a very easy technique, just takes a couple of seconds to practice. We're going to take the edge of your scissors and we're going to drag it across the edge of the chalk, but you're only dragging it on the back pull. Then it's going to come forward, turn the chalk around. Of course, we normally do this over a garbage pail. Do both sides. And we've got a nice sharp edge to do our marking. When marking with your wax chalk, you do not have to apply a lot of pressure. Keep the chalk flat, draw it across your material, and there you have your line.